Ndewo no umaka. Let's hear the story of Mbe, the tortoise, and the feast in the sky. The birds were invited to a sky feast. Mbe wanted to go, but he had no wings. He asked the birds for feathers to make wings. They agreed, not knowing his plan. On their way, Mbe said, "Let's take new names. I will be all of you." The birds laughed and chose their names. At the feast, the host said, "This food is for all of you." Mbe spoke up saying, "I am all of you," and ate all of the food. The birds were furious and took their feathers back. "Find your way home," they said. With no wings, Mbe fell to the ground, bam! And that's why tortoises have cracked shells. Moral of the story: greed and trickery always bring big trouble. Jisike, always do the right thing.